All right, good morning, everyone. It is 9:01 on the morning of September 21st, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. So, today, I titled the video Three Strikes You're Out. And what that means is there's this 291 level right here. And so, let's see. Well, today's Wednesday. So, here's Monday. Monday was a pretty big green day here. Opened up low and spent the rest of the day working its way up to this 291 level. And yesterday, maybe I'll make this a little bit bigger so it's a little bit easier to see. And by the way, this is the close. Was that Thursday? September 15th? Was that Thursday? Let's see. Yeah, 15th was a Thursday. So here's the close on Thursday. Friday, it couldn't make it up to the gap, gap. It gapped down. The opening on Friday was a gap down. Came up, touched the gap here on Friday, or I'm sorry, on Monday. And then again yesterday, it came up to the gap. Let's look at it on the 10-minute. So here it is on Friday. Came up, touched the gap, and it looked like it closed. Wow, did it close above the gap? Oh, it closed just below the gap. Goodness. Let's see, the close was at 291.10. Wow, closed right at the gap. The gap is at 291.10. So the top of the gap. And then yesterday it came up and almost tagged the tap. I think the high almost tagged the top of the gap. I think the high was 291.06, right? Yeah, 291.06 was the high on this candle. And then got rejected from that price level and spent that section of the afternoon, let's see, from noon into roughly 2 p.m., we'll call it. Then it pivoted at 2 p.m. and decided to have a little bit of, I wouldn't call it an afternoon jam session exactly, because the price didn't head back up to the morning highs here. You can see at noon, right before lunch, decided to get close to tapping the top of the gap again, and then quickly got rejected. And even though this is a bullish afternoon session, I wouldn't call it a jam session because the price didn't break through the morning high. So it did hit the afternoon pivot, and there was buying going into the close. And so I was expecting there to be a confirmation yesterday. Really, I didn't play the afternoon session. I didn't play the morning sell-off. I should say the afternoon sell-off. I didn't play it. I'm really still waiting for a red day confirmation below this 291. So today, will we get three strikes are out? So basically, here we have strike one for breaking this level. There's something important. I don't know why. I don't really care why. But there is something special right now in the short term. There is something special about this price. And what I've noticed is, the old baseball thing works. Three strikes are out. So today, if we get another rejection off of this 291, another sort of run up to 291 and then a fail again, that's it. The consolidation is over. It breaks down. Things go to, I'm looking at 280 on the Qs for the next support level. So today, I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to sit and wait during the morning session. I might sit here for lunch too. We'll see. But essentially, here's the 10-minute on the here's the 10-minute chart on the Qs. And so 291 right here. If we break through in the morning, get a test, and then another, this sort of zigzag fashion you'll see often. Then it's bullish, and I leave it alone. I wait. I went bearish just south of 294 right here. And if I start to approach break even on my shorts, then I will cancel those shorts. I'm still hanging on to a small short position that I opened up last week. I'm looking to add to that position. And actually, 294 would be a good spot to add, but I really just don't want to see the trade I'm in go negative. So this might end up being basically a flat trade for me after having a pretty nice swing down. I've definitely, I went into the money here definitely. I'm looking for the big win for a big move down, and it ought to be on its way. We'll see what happens. Well, so today the trade is a break through this 291 price, a retest, and the move up. I'm going to exit my trade. I won't look to add. However, if we get if this thing bops its head on 291 again, and then starts to scoot down below its close, starts to break down through its opening price, the daily opening price, then I am going to look for. That's where I will begin to add to my short position today, and I will be looking for 280 to be support, the next level of support, and that should happen in a relatively short amount of time. It's just kind of the way that it works. So yeah, that's the strategy today. 291 is the price that I'm watching, and it's a price that I've had up on the chart, but I didn't really think it was all that important. It's a price that I put on the chart, I don't know, after Thursday. I didn't think it would be as important as it's turned out to be now. So it's what I'm watching today. All right, everybody. That's pretty much it. There's some other stuff moving. I'm not interested in covering it. I'm going to call it a day here. All right. Good luck out there. Keep your wrists tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell. I'll see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.